The Casa Santísimo, a stunning architectural marvel by JJRRRArquitectura AREA, is a testament to the delicate balance between tradition and modernity. Nestled in the serene residential area of San Angel in Mexico City, this project is a masterful intervention and extension of an existing colonial hacienda. The central challenge was to preserve the soul of the original house, characterized by its spacious central courtyard and traditional architectural style, while seamlessly integrating contemporary elements that harmonize with the existing structure. To achieve this harmonious blend, the architects carefully selected materials such as wood, whitewashed walls, volcanic stone, and glass. These materials not only complement the traditional aesthetic but also create a visual distinction between the old and new parts of the house, fostering a dialogue between the two. The lush vegetation surrounding the house further enhances the connection to nature and adds a touch of serenity to the overall ambience. The ground floor of the house is designed to maximize the connection between the interior and exterior spaces. The living and dining areas are strategically placed between the garden and the central courtyard, allowing for ample natural light and cross-ventilation. The interior spaces flow seamlessly into the exterior, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. The central courtyard serves as the heart of the house, providing a tranquil and inviting space for relaxation and social gatherings. The first floor houses the private areas, including 3 bedrooms, each with its own bathroom, dressing room, and terrace. A more intimate family room and a gym are also located on this level, offering additional spaces for relaxation and fitness. The basement level accommodates the parking garage for 8 cars, 2 service rooms, a security booth, and the main entrance to the house, ensuring a discreet and independent access point for visitors and staff. Casa Santísimo is a remarkable example of how contemporary architecture can respect and enhance traditional building styles. By carefully considering the original structure and its surroundings, the architects have created a timeless and elegant home that seamlessly blends the past and the present. Thank you for watching our video about Casa Santísimo by JJRRArquitectura AREA. This project is a stunning example of how contemporary architecture can respect and enhance a traditional building style. By carefully considering the original structure and its surroundings, the architects have created a timeless and elegant home that perfectly blends past and present. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring architecture videos. See you in the next video.